If you want to make a raw chocolate, look no further. Today we are going to use maple syrup, sea salt, cacao powder and cacao butter buttons to make our own homemade raw chocolate bar from scratch. I know you're excited. I'm feeling so excited too. Eek! To add some more flavour to your chocolate, you can also add in virgin coconut oil or extra virgin coconut oil, and you can also pop in some vanilla extract. I wasn't sure whether to add mine in, but you'll find out why later. There's my cacao butter buttons. Alright, so here's my pot of water which I'm going to simmer, and once it starts simmering I'll pop this bowl inside the pot and hopefully it will start to melt. I think it's safe to say that the water is simmering. So now I'll pop my cacao butter in and stir it slowly. Oh wow, so it's actually melting a lot quicker than I thought it might. So fantastic. So perfect. So perfect. So it really does not take a long time at all for the cacao butter to melt. Probably took about 5 minutes, not even that. I would say 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to whisk in the maple syrup. I was going to use honey, but as you can see, all I have is raw honey and it's quite solid. I just want an easy life really. So maple syrup it is. I have now stirred in the maple syrup, which is why it probably looks a bit darker in colour. I am now going to measure the cacao powder and pop that in with some salt. I'm in two minds about using vanilla extract because I'm really trying not to have too much sugar in there, and I've already put maple syrup in, which has a lot of sugar, and I'm really just trying to work out whether vanilla extract is wholly necessary. So I'm still thinking about it, we'll see. I've just popped in the cacao powder. I really don't know if I'm saying that properly, but I'll continue to say so until corrected. Cacao powder. I'm going to put in just a pinch of Celtic sea salt, and I'm going to taste it once it's all whisked, and then I will decide if I'm going to use vanilla extract. As you can see, I'm giving it a good mix. It smells so nice. This is really, I mean, if you don't like dark chocolate, or if you're planning on giving it to someone who doesn't like dark chocolate, they'll probably think this smells disgusting, but I think it smells dreamy. And it's getting quite thick. Ooh. Deepest apologies, I was unable to hold the camera and pour the chocolate into the moulds, so I did this unrecorded, but I felt a bit creative as well, so I decided to use desiccated coconut pieces to add even more flavour. Side note, I will make another video explaining how I add fillings into the chocolate. Once you have placed your chocolate in the freezer for 1 hour, pop them out of the moulds and take a look at them. Oh. Get off it, get off it. That is so cool. Like, I actually need a chocolate bar. Oh my gosh. Let's have a look at this. It's beautiful. Wow, look at that. I am so happy with that. I need to try it now. And there we have it, folks. Your very own raw chocolate bar
made from scratch, whole food friendly. Wow. Like and subscribe for more whole food snacks made by yours truly, Hannah. Woo woo.